In collaboration with our neighbours at Google and the King's Cross community, MA Industrial Design at Central St Martin's participated in the London Festival of Architecture, a celebration of architecture and city making. We challenged the students to create installations that responded to Google's new building in King's Cross, including many subtle engineering features that have been cleverly incorporated to create spaces that foster innovation, connection and sustainability.
So my group and I, we're working on how the Google building works sustainably. So our brief is to make an installation that is physically engaging and interactive to the public and the visitors of the London Festival of Architecture.
Our group is about empowerment, and we are aiming to create a cloud. You should be like going inside and you're basically entering a new world with reflectives. You're supposed to feel more empowered through the use of sound and through the visuals of being like in a new space.
We realize that it is sunny outside right now, so we are going out to check out how the materials we want to use react with the sun and if we can get a beautiful shadow depending on the location for the installation.
In collaboration with community members, the students developed installations ranging from engineered sculptural pieces that respond to pioneering architecture to immersive experiences that build a sense of community, well-being and playfully demonstrate the power of partnership and collaboration.
Today was brilliant. There was so much energy, there was a lot of some great ideas. I was very impressed with, this was just 3 weeks work since the brief was launched. So there was already very kind of well scoped out ideas, very well kind of resolved solutions that now just need to be kind of tinkered with and adapted to the site. But I think there was some brilliant stuff going on. I love the models and maquettes that everybody had. Some were kind of low-key, very experimental. Some groups had several ones. Some people did little videos as well. I'm such a fan of the pin-up, you can just ask questions. It's not very computer-based. So that worked really well.
Today I mostly worked on petals. I sieve the fabric to acetate. This way fabric will be more waterproof, and then we will attach this acetate piece to the wood petals. We are so close to finish all the parts of the mechanism. Federica is now working on bending metals. She will finish the handles. Kaushik is creating holes to create pivot points of the mechanism. We will attach those parts to the petals. I'm super excited.
So we are printing a case to make the speaker waterproof. The speakers have to be on top of the cloud for a better sound. So to make it more sturdy, we are building a case, also to help us attach it on top of the cloud.
We're aiming to have a series of interactive, playful engagements between different actors. When people blow in the cones, the balloons will increase, so it's like a magic in some way.
Each piece responds to one of the building's themes: STEM, sustainability, flexibility, empowerment, innovation and partnerships. The results, collectively entitled With Wide-Eyed Wonder, were displayed along King's Boulevard running the length of the building, and these invited passers-by to interact with each installation, asking questions and starting conversations about innovation in the building and how it will act in a broader range of contexts when it opens. A place for work, a social place, a place for education, learning, engagement and participation.
The installation works like a living organism with sustainability at its core. Petals of the flower are a representation of mullions which follow the sun and save energy by regulating temperature and brightness in the new building.
Today we saw just some kids like interacting with our interactions. It's interesting with the spinning thing that a lot of people think that you have to press it, but they like figure out that spinning is a lot easier, so that was like something we learned. It looks like generally they're quite engaged to it. A lot of kids seem to enjoy it more than adults. And the sound thing is really fun, like they always seem to go towards that.
The installation is going very well. We have a lot of people coming, families, kids, but also older people. They really seem to enjoy it. Most of the time they feel empowered, which is nice for us. I think it's really nice to see different age groups enjoying the installation. It looks great in the place. We were a little bit worried it wouldn't fit well, but it's very noticeable.
So today we've been installing our installation for the very first time. Mainly it's just been like families, children especially, playing with the balloons, and mothers with their kids. But yeah, those are mostly the people, and everybody have been having a lot of fun with all the interaction, keeping the balloons.
This is great for the kids, amazing for the kids. Very interactive, and the adults like it too. Yell if you like it.
Tell the man what you think of the exhibition.
I like